belly, I'm larger than me. I'm the chef in the place. We run the kitchen. We are set the place on the jam to be active. Me make it taste so nice. Me a demand to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly, a medium. Come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, village of creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food. The combination.
Hello folks, so today we are making brown stew cow foot, guys. Yes, cow feet. In this kitchen pan I have some cow feet that I washed and cleaned up and everything. I also added some celery and some carrots, and I have some garlic and ginger chopped here. And guys, this is gonna be the preliminary cooking. Yes, most people will put on their cow food. Well, some people put on their cow food and cook it for hours. I am gonna use my new wave electric cooker. What you call this, babes? Pressure cooker. I'm gonna use that to do it, and of course, so I'm just doing some preliminary. But again, you know me, I'm not do nothing normal, right? So how do you get a lot of infused flavor into your cow foot? Most people, some people will season it up and leave it overnight and 2 day and 3 day, and that will work for them. But I am doing it a little bit different. I am just going to put this ram goat flavored soup mix into my pressure cooker with my cow food. And when it comes out, one of the things that people don't understand is that pressure cookers do what is called infusion cooking. It because it is locked in and it is airtight, it infuses the meat or whatever you're pressuring with whatever other ingredients is in it. And so I'm gonna use this to infuse that flavor into this. And I know it's gonna turn out well, I hope so. But again, let's go. We're just gonna put this in the pressure cooker and turn it on, and then we'll come back after we're done pressurizing our pressure cooker. Pressure meat, cow foot, cow neck, cow everything. At this point, I must tell you guys that this video is an excerpt of one of our regular weekly lives that we do on our YouTube channel. So the commentaries that follow will be as we interact with our live audiences. And so if you hear anything and we're going on a little bit funny and we're making it much of what we're doing, it's because we're doing it live on air. All right. So as you can see, we are now cutting up our garlic and our ginger to add to our cow foot that has just been added to our pressure cooker. We're going to be using the ram goat soup mix from Caribbean Dreams to add the infused flavor to our dish. So let's go. And if you're a first-time viewer, welcome to Yardie Belly TV. Please click the subscribe button and, of course, as I said before, notification all, so that you are well aware when we go live every Thursday in the afternoon at around 5 o'clock or thereabouts, and on Tuesday at the same time we go live on TikTok. So there we have added some water, and now we're adding just a little bit of browning to get that caramel color, because this is not the burnt oxtail that most people would buy. I'm not going for the expensive, I'm going for the economical. All right, so you just want to add a little browning. Then you want to add some ground cumin, and this is to make your meat taste like meat. Ground cumin is awesome, and that's it. Now you're gonna put your pressure cooker on, and of course this is the electronic pressure cooker, so you just set it and forget it. I'm gonna pressure this for about 20 minutes at first, then I'm gonna check for doneness, and then if it needs to go a little bit longer, I will. All right, so guys, you pressure it until it reaches the desired softness that you like, and you are good to go. Now let's join the live conversation. Our pressure cooker. All right, oh, the pan close, open. Guys, look what I'm going to do. Look what I'm going to do. Let me grab a spoon. Watch out. This is the infusion part of the food. Watch out, guys.
Oh, the gumptiousness.
The gumption. The
gumptiousness.
Look at that, guys.
That's looking very. It smells so good.
That's because of the ram goat.
I think I should just throw some yam and dumpling.
I make some cow foot soup, don't it?
Yeah.
Trust me, guys. Me head mash up. I took them in at the store and I said, how can I make this?
Put the bean and everything and just mix.
How can I make this cow foot just turn out awesome? So we have some buttered beans, we have some fish and meat sauce and some pimento sauce along with some vegetable that we're gonna add to help stew down the cow foot now.
Guys, we have our Dutch pot over here. You already know this famous Dutch pot is faithful.
I'm just gonna skim off some of the extra oil off of the top of the cow foot.
Ram goat infused cow foot. You see what when two things work together?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Are good to those who
Guys,
love
look how
goat.
much oil come off of it.
So now we transfer everything to our Dutch pot and we add the spinners and we start cut up the rest of the ingredients.
That's a lot of garlic. We love a lot of garlic over here in Yardie Belly Kitchen. Garlic is the stuff of life.
Mm-hmm.
It's medicinal, guys.
This is our ending, the ending of the dish now, so we're adding some vegetables. Yeah?
That's just garlic, scallion, and onion.
Mm-hmm.
What about time?
We have time, yeah, man.
No, guys, very important. Time. He's popping up sometime. His mom recently taught him this.
Wow, what she teach me?
To put the stick in there.
Put a little bit more onion.
Oh.
Here we go with our celery and our carrots.
Yes.
And the spinners. Look at that. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the spinners, them just are going like them want to win, so.
Winning right now, yeah. Winning now.
And again, guys, cow foot is rich in collagen.
Yes.
All right, joints and
Marrow.
peons and aches and pains. Now we're gonna add some bell peppers, yeah man, for the color. Guys, we're not going at the store them and find little things them we can work. Pimento seasoning. This is our fish and meat sauce. Right, me no business when nobody wants to say. Brown stew, I have little ketchup. This is one of our spicy chili. One of our nice chili them what me love. Alright, who said to put the whole of the pepper?
First of all, this pepper.
Guys, who said to put the whole of the pepper? Now wait.
Simone!
Simone, how much pepper me for put?
What are my faves in one pot?
Now wait. Anybody said to put pepper there?
First, if it's too hot.
One more person.
And if it's too hot, your pot spoil up.
Sure. Can't take them coward people here in a star. Who else?
What you know, babe?
Who else?
You know here how much women.
Coward. Seed nine on my pot star. Alright guys, so see it yeah? Butterbean time. Butterbean time. Butterbean time. Alright. Yo. Season the salt. I'm just add some salt. I add a little paprika. The paprika just done so. Dave, got you.
Now he's adding a little bit of garlic.
Onion powder.
Oh, you have onion powder, nice.
Yeah. My girl, I go shopping.
Onion powder, garlic powder.
Who out there want some of this right now? Anybody want some?
This, guys, believe it or not, is healing to the body. If you have any type of arthritic pain,
Arthritic?
if you have any aches, any joint pains, tendons.
Gonna be obedient.
I said for now, I said to try. If first you don't succeed, try.
You keep on allude to the seed argument. I mean, I try to get rid of the seed argument.
Sweet pepper.
Secret ingredients, guys. Add it to
Why is it a secret?
Because it... Couple more pieces of pepper. And then we're finishing up with our scallion. Yeah. And we just have to stir the pot one more time.
On that, guys. Yeah.
And there you have it, guys. Our cow feet, yeah, with buttered bean, although the bean them last. All right, so we know the cow foot are mainly bone, right? So.
I don't mind.
All right, so now we have a juice in there already. We wanna hold back on some of the juice and just start adding elements.
Yes, sir.
Now, me can
Yes.
say me can find some bean where the bean them gone.
You put two?
No?
Oh, only one you put?
Me nah make prayer kid pressure me with my beans them, you know. Guys, we're just doing it this way because we don't want to put any rice down today. Maybe what I'll do is post on my TikTok or Instagram with when we do rice with it.
Nice. Don't.
How that look, guys?
Look nice.
How that look? How that look? How that look?
This looks super. Guys, look at it through my phone.
It looks so nice. Yeah, it look good. Look clean.
This look like a cup. This is a cook picture, cookbook picture, you know?
Yeah. Take one picture. Make sure you have get picture. Look down this, guys. Oh my God. Hot. Hot food, hot food, hot food. No, man. Hot food. Oh, and the spice is just right, you know. Just right.
You could have taken more to me.
Guys, on the ear are Joyce Reed. We are eating cow foot with butter bean.
Ram goat
Ram goat
infused.
cow foot. It's infused with ram goat flavored soup. So there you have it, guys. This awesome ram goat infused brown stew cow foot with butter beans, and of course you will make some spinach to go with it. We had this as a one-pot meal, guys, but you could add your rice, you could add your dumpling and your yam, whatever staple you want to use with it, and it would be fine. The flavors was just immense. It was a delicious dish and a delight to make, and we do hope that you enjoyed the bantering between me and the wifey. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV. We are on every Thursday in the afternoon with dinner live, and of course subscribe to us on all socials at Yardie Belly TV. Manners and respect. Remember to keep your notification bell rung. Big up on yourself. Yardie Belly TV, Sessa.